substitute angle until you enter the skin. Go very fast. Yeah, you change it. Go in that direction. Go. Stop. Enough. Now we got this one. Bring the ready.
Cosa? Cosa, mama?
No sound.
Ndio tunalinda wagonjwa wako sasa.
Bwana lazima.
So this is push it until the mark, okay? Yeah, good. Now. So you don't push this one, you just go until you feel resistance, okay? Feel resistance? Resistance. Now you pull this one. Hold this one still. Now pull this one. Hold it steady. Until you see the second mark.
Okay. Oh, until you see the second mark?
So, very slowly. Very slowly. Did you see? Go.
There.
Now the mark. Now take it out, or you just direct this one. Direct. In that direction.
How sure are you that it has already gone?
Because the mark says it's already gone. Go very special. Good. Very special. Go up. Nice. Very nice. Yeah. Good. Now take it out also.
You hit on that time.
Yeah.
This small love you have for me.
Now use.
Hatari. Jamani, hatari.
Go until you feel some resistance, okay?
What is that resistance?
Because it says you that
It's at the end of the
the end
tissue.
of the
The end of the tissue.
now,
Yes.
now you put. You hold this one steady, then go.
The resistance is here though.
Yeah.
The jadela is hitting the other end.
Now you can get down. See now you can palpate.
Cosa? Tumemaliza.
Nakutoa sasa umeniwekea. Nakutoa
Baada ya miaka 5 it's perfect.
Sitatajua pesa. Kuweka mnawezanga bure tukienda kutoa unaambia toa pesa fulani.